Hello everyone, my name is André Beltrami. I am PhD student at Federal University of São Carlos, and today I will talk about our demo called Elastic Key Monitoring Architecture for Cloud Network Slice. The idea of this demo is to show how our monitoring components responsible for monitor cloud network slice adapt itself when elasticity operation occurs in that slice. We have exercised two types of elasticity, the vertical elasticity and the horizontal elasticity. Basically, the difference between them is that vertical elasticity is related to results that are inside the same slice part, and the horizontal elasticity is related to add or remove a new slice part. So the objectives of this demo are show an elastic architecture for monitor resources in cloud network slice and show the monitoring components being adapted as new resources are allocated or unallocated. In this demo, we will show 5 methods: the start monitoring, the vertical elasticity scale up, the horizontal elasticity scale out, the horizontal elasticity scale in, and the stop monitoring of the components. And that's it. Let's go to the demo. Okay, the first method is the start monitoring components. We will start the monitoring components responsible for monitor one slice with two slice part and 4 VMs. One slice part had the Prometheus as monitoring tool, and another one has the net data. Now we will do the request for our framework. In the top side, we will see the number of slices, the number of slice parts, and the number of VMs that we are monitoring. We had 3 graphs, one for CPU, one for memory, another one for network. For each of these graphs, we will show the measure for each VM that we have in our infrastructure. Now we had the scale up vertical elasticity when we are adding a new VM inside the slice part number 1. Remember the slice part number 1 was monitored by Prometheus, and the slice part number 2 was monitored by net data, and our components are responsible to interact with these monitoring entities in order to gather these metrics in an uniformed way. So now this horizontal elasticity scale out, we will add a new slice part being monitored by Prometheus. As you can see in the top of the screen, the number of slice part increased and also the number of VMs, and a new blue line appeared in each of the graphs that we had. The another operation is the horizontal elasticity scale in. We will remove the slice part previously deployed, so the number of slice part and the number of VMs will decrease by 1, and the new line blue stopped together the metrics and showing the Grafana dashboard. Last, we will stop the monitoring components that have been instantiated to monitor this slice, and the number of slice part, and VMs go to 0, and the metrics being monitored stopped showing. So that's it for our demo. Thank you, the NECOS project, the FAI and GTIC for the financial support. Thank you all for attending this demo, and now I am available for questions. Thank you very much.